the vlog's back. So you're probably wondering who I am. My name is Peter Cheney. I am the founder and creator for Nichols Vision. And if you're new to the channel, I used to have a vlog a couple years ago. It didn't do too great. I didn't get as many views, or it wasn't as receptive to people as I thought. But, you know, I thought, why not start it over again? I am going to be doing a lot of creating this year. I'm going to do a lot of traveling, especially for cars. I'm starting a new docu-series, so I just wanted to take you guys on a journey with me. So, talking about the journey, I'm actually going to an event today at the Peterson Museum that's hosted by Motortrend magazine, and they are letting in a select few of people that are not within the industry, or they are in the cars, but they're not an OEM supplier. And they're going to let us in the vault and take us around. So let's start on this journey right now. I got to head to LA. I'm in Orange County. It's going to take a little while. So yeah, let's get on the road. Let's get started. Cue the montage. All right, and just like that, I'm here. Big trucks. And we're about to start vlogging and go inside. You already know, when I see a Porsche, I gotta get it. I don't know if any of you have ever been to the Peterson Museum, or if you've ever been to California. I don't know where you're viewing from, but if you are a huge car fan, you got to come by the Peterson Museum. It's honestly one of the best experiences that you'll have as a car person. You get to see a lot of the history and heritage of a lot of cars, and they just have like a cool setup. So let's go inside.
Hands here.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, cool.
Carol,
Peter,
nice
to
meet you.
Billy, nice to meet you.
Is
nice
he
to
our
meet you.
social? He's one of your social guys, yeah?
Yo! Thank you for coming.
Yeah, man.
Of course. Go get some. We're going to do the vault tour at 5.
Yeah. We're actually ready to go.
Oh, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're probably wondering what I'm doing here. I'm pretty much here just to enjoy all the cars and just to see what's going on, see the atmosphere. I'm expecting, you know, the Genesis G70 to win. I don't know what SUV of the year is going to be, but yeah, I'm most excited probably about the Genesis G70 just because I've driven the car and it's actually a really good car, especially for what it is. And I used to have a G80. The G80 Sport I actually got to drive too, and that was like a really nice car. And I feel like this is going to be more of a refined, more tuner type of car, more of an enthusiast type of car. But we're about to go in, the awards are about to start, and we'll see who wins.
presenting Genesis G70.
Alright, and here's the G70 behind me, your winner for Car of the Year. I personally think that it's a really good car. It's well refined. People just need to really get over the badging, and alright, the lights came on. That's like in the club, you know what I mean? When you're like, oh, we gotta go. I think that's what they're trying to tell me to do. So, Jesus Christ. I think it's time for me to leave, since they want to turn on the lights and I have to adjust everything. All right, so that concludes the Motortrend 2019 awards. I want to say thank you to all the people at Motortrend. Also, I want to send a big thank you to Brandon and Beth for inviting me and letting me just have the opportunity to be here. I had a lot of fun. I hope I can do this again next year, and hopefully I can bring some more content to you guys. Next episode should be pretty interesting. It's actually going to be here again at the Peterson Museum. But if you aren't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, hit the notification button. Also, follow me on social media. So, I'm out of here. See you later.